What's up everybody, Matt Maran here and another video from New York. This is the 2019 Genesis G70, which we've already seen, but this is the first time seeing the US version with the orange side markers and things like that. Looks really good though. I like those black sporty wheels you get here on the 3.3T version. So there's obviously the two engines. This is based on the same platform as the Kia Stinger GT. So you can get a base engine, which is 252 horsepower, 265 pound-feet of torque from a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and that one you can actually get with a manual as well. This is the automatic because this is a 3.3T version, which has 365 horsepower, 376 pound-feet of torque, like the Stinger GT. Rear-wheel drive is standard again. All-wheel drive is optional, and all of them get limited slip differentials though, and you also get an adjustable suspension that adapts based on driving modes here in the top-performing version. But really nice interior, metal buttons everywhere, quilted leather seats. I mean, everything looks even a little nicer, I think, than the Stinger GT, although that is also almost just as nice. I mean, both are very nice interiors in these cars. I really like, this is a traditional trunk on this one as opposed to the Stinger with its hatch, but a really good design. I love the built-in like deck lid spoiler, almost like a duckbill you have there in the back, which looks really sharp, I think, especially in red here. Looks really good to me as well. But just very high-end looking and expensive up front there with the grille, with the chrome plating and everything. But anyway, these are going to be available this summer. No pricing has been announced yet, but should be similar to the Stinger GT. But anyway, that is the 2019 Genesis G70.